Hey there, if you're a frozen dessert supplier, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a website for your business. Multi-sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly make my way to the top and I'm going to search for my market, frozen dessert supplier. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our frozen dessert supplying business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region where I'm located. Awesome. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue. Let multi sites work its magic and create a simple website for us. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality as well, and they're completely free to use and absolutely delicious, as you can see. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the desserts you are supplying, potentially hotels and restaurants. You want to showcase them on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to that content. Today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be making my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a web developer, you don't need to hire a web professional, and you don't need to know coding at all. So let's get cracking. I'm going to start at the top, click on the first section, go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure my email address is visible on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and click on show email on site and go ahead and put that phone number in as well as my physical location, my street address. Awesome. I'm now going to go ahead and save my location. When your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to put our social media accounts in here. Over here, you can put in the various platforms you're active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your multi site website. So your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, see what your business is up to. Let's head on over to update logo. Now over here, go ahead and browse your device and upload your logo. If you don't have a logo, yes, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of few free great options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. Let's go ahead and click on this pencil over here just so we can slightly crop it so it fits better into the section. If you need to, you can add filters, decorate frames, rotate, zoom in, etc. Lots of little minor changes you can make by clicking on the pencil over there. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click on save. We can make our logo bigger and smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and make it slightly smaller. That looks absolutely fantastic. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your small business. I absolutely love these colors. They go so well with my branding and my message. If I wanted to change it, no coding necessary. Click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the same one because I really like it. So bold and bright, looks absolutely awesome. Let's head on over to update section. Over here, if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You can search for different terms. Multi-site will automatically search for the keywords frozen dessert supplier. So many suitable images here, but if you want to try different terms, maybe certain desserts you supply, you can do so. Remember, all these images are completely free to use and they all look absolutely delicious. I wish I had them all. Let me try this one out and it goes really well with my colors. So I'm going to go ahead and save that one and head over to update content. Over here, change the title, subtitle to suit your business needs. Button currently says contact us today. Go ahead and choose the link where that button will link to. You can link to another website if it's necessary. You can link to another part of your Mighty Sites website. The lead form at the bottom is a great one, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call directions, click to email. I'm going to link to click to email. Otherwise, another great option is to upload a PDF file, maybe your current promotion offers and deals, or maybe a catalog of all the different desserts you are supplying. Next section, pre-written content. Button can link to various places. Click on update section, work your magic, make the necessary changes. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be. Maybe it's a family-run business, how long you've been in the frozen desserts industry. Do you supply retailers like restaurants, hotels, bakeries? Go ahead and put all the details under the about us section, how your business came to be. Customers would love to hear your story, a little background of it. We've now made our way into the services section where you can put a little bit more details of different services or the products you offer. Do you offer ice cream? Is there dairy free options available? Because obviously, vegan and vegetarian lifestyles are way more popular now. Do you offer 100% fruit sorbets, cheesecakes in various flavors, waffles, apple crumble, sticky toffee pudding, brownies? All sound absolutely heavenly. Go ahead and put all the details under this section over here of the products you are supplying to perhaps hotels, restaurants, bakeries, B&Bs, guest house. We've now made our way to the last section, that lead form, which I've just previously mentioned. Over here, if your customers have any queries, they can put in their details, click on send. You will get notified via email that you have a new lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, you can add Mighty Sites as a user and we will connect your domain for you. If you don't have a domain yet, maybe you recently launched your business, but you understand that having a custom domain for your website makes your business look way more professional and trustworthy. Go ahead and click on I want a new domain. You can purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Over here in your Mighty dashboard is where you can find the leads via that form we have just shown you at the bottom of your page. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your frozen dessert supplier business. Really wishing you and your business a mighty success. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.